What's happening YouTube with Tech TRX? Back now in the video, and today we're looking at the Oleap pilot and also the charging base. We're gonna go ahead and open this up and see how well it does. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you could be notified of the next videos to come with tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Hit the like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what the Oleap pilot can do. So the Oleap pilot is good if you are mainly working online, and if your main use is Microsoft Teams or Zoom, then you'll be able to use it with that. So let's go ahead and test this out. Here we go. Great packaging by Oleap. It opens up like so. Boom. Beautiful box. So this top part comes off. So it comes with a little case and the earbuds is in there. There's a quick start guide in there as well. As you can see here, has this accessory tab. Boom. That comes up and the accessory box is right behind here. That's pretty cool. Great unboxing by Oleap here. Couple of foam tips there. USB-C charging cable. Here it is. And also a USB-A Bluetooth adapter. That's it for that. It also comes with a user manual right here. And that's it. Let's open up the charging base. There it is. Foam up top here. And as you can see, the charging base right here. Pretty nice. Again, USB-C cable right there. And that's it. Let's do a fit test now. There it is, and then you can, this part is adjustable up and down if you need it. There you go. Now let me know in the comments below if how does it look. Pretty nice, right? Little orange button up there, I believe, which is the mute button. Inside is the speaker, as you can see there. It's where the sound will come from. Same with this side. On top right here comes with the volume rockers and also a button in the middle there. I believe that's the power on and off. And then the bottom has the USB-C slot for charging it. So the charging base, for example, right here, if you want to put it on there, you just need to place it like so. And that's how you would charge it. It's pretty nice little base there. It makes the headphones kind of suspended from the ground as well, which is really nice. The bottom of the base also has this nice grip so that it won't slide off on your table. The back has one USB-C slot, so you could charge it there. Pretty nice. This part right here is also magnetic, as you can see there. Pretty good. So it won't just come off. It's actually magnetically on there. There we go. As you could see there. Pretty nice. This is the next generation open-ear headphones. The Oleap Pilot brings unprecedented call experience, bass-boosted audio, and all-day comfort. It has the 50 decibel environmental noise cancellation. It has 3 mics that does this really well. It has 2 powerful 16mm dynamic drivers and bass sleep algorithm. It delivers premium audio to open-ear devices and keep you supported with 10 hours of talk time and vibration-free comfort for a whole day. It also has enhanced bass tone, rotatable mic for super clear calls, which you can tuck away when you are working out or when you don't need it. And it has a mute button for controlling the volume quickly. Let's go ahead and pair this now with our MacBook Air M1. It actually connects straight to the Bluetooth. You don't need the adapter or anything like that. Connecting it with OBS, we're just gonna do the settings here for the audio input capture. And we're gonna select the Oleap Pilot, and that's it. So right now we have it connected via OBS on our MacBook Air M1. This is the test as well on the mic on the Oleap Pilot. Let me know in the comments below if it's any good or not. Check. Again, this is the Oleap Pilot connected via MacBook Air M1. The Oleap Pilot can be used with the iPhone as well, for those of you who are more mobile. If you are using iPad, it will work with that as well. We have the Bluetooth turned on, and as you can see Oleap Pilot is down here. There it is. It's connected with our iPhone now. So let's go ahead and test out some music here. For example, some bass boosting music. Let's see how well it does. Yeah, it is pretty good. And the best part about this is open ear. So you'll be able to still hear people around you. Let's have it about halfway. So this is pretty usable, definitely. You'll still be able to hear your ambient noise, especially if you're in an office and you want to still hear like people around your house, or maybe you're working and you still want to hear people maybe yelling at you in the back. You'll be able to do that with this. If you want to take calls as well during a ride, or maybe you're on a bike, you'll be able to do that with this as well and still hear the ambient noise at the same time. Really good. It's good for using calls as well, taking calls on the go, and still be able to hear your ambient noise. Really good. Now, of course, you can control this as well. Change the volume, as you could see there. Increase it or decrease it. Just the buttons, really easy to use. There's also the play and pause button in the middle, which is really nice. If you hold it as well, it'll go to the next music. Then if you hold the minus button, it'll previous. There we go. Good addition for sure. And that's for the everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new headset for your work from home office with additional charging base by Oleap. This is the Oleap Pilot and the charging base. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. I would recommend this for people who are working from home or maybe working in office, but you still want to hear your ambient noise, people working around you, and still be able to have beautiful mic and sound at the same time without interrupting anybody. This is the one for you. If you want to see more videos like these, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.